welcome back to my another video. For today's video, as you know by the title, is about buying makeup. I'm so excited. Like, I've never ever even tried to buy anything. Like, I usually do eyeliner and lip balm, but that's everything I have. That's everything I own. Yeah, I'm 22, as you all would know if you're following me on my Instagram. I'll have my Instagram somewhere here, if I remember. And yeah, I'm 22. I've never bought makeup apart from eyeliner and lip balm, as I told you. And I've been influenced by all these Instagram models and influencers. Like, I love watching makeup videos and everything, so I thought I should start making those videos as I love watching it, and for that I'll have to buy makeup. So we're doing that today. I know nothing about it. Like, I've seen tons and tons of makeup videos. I know each and every process, how it's done and everything, but I've never applied it on me, so I don't know how it goes. I don't know how to find the right foundation shade. Let's see what happens. Quick disclaimer, I'm not encouraging anyone to do makeup, or I'm not encouraging self-hate. It's just for me because I like it and I've never tried it, so I wanted to try it once. I don't want to spread negative mentality, or I don't encourage this. It's just for me, it's just for fun. So I would really enjoy if you enjoy the video, and it's just for fun. Don't take it personally. So I changed my outfit. I'm wearing these jeans and we're ready to launch. Let's go. What is up, guys? We're back from shopping, and this is actually a few days after, and I'm wearing the same shirt, so I can just pretend that it's the same day, but yeah, it's not. Actually, it was kind of late and it was hard to film when there's no light, so I thought we should wait till the correct time. And also I had to buy few stuff, so I was waiting till the day, and finally I have everything, and I'm gonna show you what I got. So first of all, we went to Shoppers, and here's the bag. From there I actually got the foundation. It was really hard, guys. It was really hard to find my shade, but as you saw in the clips before, the lady was so helpful. She tried on every foundation shade that she thought would suit me, and finally we got this one. This is just the Maybelline Superstay foundation, and now I know I'm in the shade 334, which is Warm Sun. Finally! So I got that, and she also helped me pick up this powder. I don't know how it is. I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna open it now. I was actually kind of waiting to open it. It was actually so exciting. I think this is the mini version powder. This powder is free with the bigger one that I got, so I'm just gonna open it up for you. It's a translucent powder. I haven't used this. I still don't know how to use this because as you can see I did my makeup today and it has turned out pretty good, but I didn't want to open this up because I wanted to open this up on camera, so I just opened it up and let's see how it turns out. So lady at Shoppers actually said the foundation is matte, so I don't know if I'm gonna use this powder because as far as I know, I've heard that the powder is used so that you can reduce the shine of foundation or it doesn't look too oily, but let's see. Yeah, so the next thing that I got was this eyeliner. I actually currently use the L'Oreal one, but I've used this before and I loved it. I didn't really like the L'Oreal one, so I got this one. Then I got these lashes. I literally don't know how to use this, seriously. But I think it might be useful when I'm recreating makeup looks. I'm not gonna use this every day, but it's just for my makeup looks because I know I'm gonna do some. Then I got the most important thing. Makeup remover. Yes, because as we're gonna do some makeup, I would need a good makeup remover, so I got this by Garnier. And that's everything that I got from Shoppers. Now, after that I went to Marshall's and I got few other stuff from there. So first of all, I got this palette. I'm just gonna open this up to show you all. It is actually very beautiful. Like, look at that. Look at all those colors. And it actually has all the eyeshadows, all the colors that can be used as bronzer, highlighter, and it has 5 blushes. So I thought this was a good idea because I didn't want to buy blush, highlighter and bronzer and eyeshadow separately, so I thought this palette was good. Then I got this makeup brush set on my birthday and I was so happy about it. I already used the sponge, so I actually already used the blush brush as well, but I just wanted to put it in just to show you guys. Then I got this L'Oreal lipstick. It's in the shade 980 and it actually looks so good. As I'm a little bit dark, light lipsticks doesn't suit me, so this was the only one that looked so good on my lips. Like, look, you can see now, it looks so good. So I got this. Then I got this. Revlon Revolution mascara. I feel like such a beauty guru, like showing all stuffs on camera like this. But this Artistry lip gloss, and oh, the only thing I'm so excited about is, okay, look carefully. So when you open this up, I don't know why you're not able to see, but it has like these lights. Do you see that? Like it was so exciting for me. Like I opened it up and it's, see? Okay, maybe you're not able to see that on camera, maybe I'm being too weird, but yeah, that was too exciting. And it also looks really good. Like if you don't want to apply lipstick, you can apply this lip balm and it still looks so good. And it also has like a mirror here, so you can just see while applying. Isn't that good, guys? Okay. After that, the most important thing, I got this like sequins box or box holder bin, I don't know what it's called. So this box just to keep all my makeup in, and then I got this like small purse or pouch to keep all my makeup brushes in. So yeah, that is all what I got. This was first time ever me buying makeup. I've never bought makeup. I've only used like eyeliner, mascara, lip balm, and that's everything. So I was so excited because I've been watching these makeup videos, glam up videos and everything, and I wanted to try it myself. And I'm so happy about it that I'll be able to do all the makeup looks by myself. And yeah, I actually filmed this like this makeup, and I'm going to be posting it on my Instagram, on my IGTV, so make sure you're following me on Instagram, which will be @MissV, and I'll also post some pictures there, so make sure you go follow me. And I think that is everything for today's video. I hope you like it. If you like it, make sure to subscribe for more such videos. I'm trying to post every Thursday, so make sure you have the post notifications on so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Then give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Peace out.